Hi guys, today I'm going to give you just a brief explanation about how to use PMT when formatting in Excel. So first off, we're going to start off by typing in cells B1 through B3 amount of the loan, the annual interest rate, and the number of payments. In cells D1 through D3, you're just going to fill in all of the information that goes along with it. So the total of the loan, the percent of the loan, and how long you plan on paying off the loan. We have here 120, but of course that is monthly payments. So if you want to pay it off in a year, of course you use 12 months. In 2 years, 24 months, and so forth. And in I'm sorry. In cell B5, you're gonna go ahead on and put in monthly payment, and this is where you actually enter in cell D5 the PMT formula, which is right here, which can be accessed if you click on the formula bar button, or if you go into insert and of course formula. Once that is entered, all of your numbers have to be filled in, like your PV and everything, at the top in order for it to come up correctly in the monthly payment, because if you don't, then the numbers won't show up right. Okay, moving on, we're going to go in section A7, in box A7, and type in number, and then in B7 payment, and so forth, interest, the principal, and the balance, all in the same column, which is going to be a part of actually formatting our PMT. And of course, the monthly payments are already established for you for the 120 marks with the PMT formula. So first off, in your number column, we're going to go ahead on and list 1 through 20. And by how we do this is you click on column A8 and you type in 0, and column A9 type in 1, and then column A10 and type in 2. From here, we can go into fill and then series, and then once you type in series, you'll press trend right here, linear, and then columns, and then values 1 through 120. Or you can just do 1 through 3, and then once this comes up, this little box, drag and drop it down until however many you need. It's just about how you prefer doing it, but you have to make sure you do that first. All your numbers won't automatically update. That's one of the things with Excel. Once you start fiddling with anything else in Excel, then your column numbering like that won't continue unless you go in and manually do it. Okay, and then of course in payments, the payments are going to be the same for monthly, and it shows you why the payment is there with the interest rate and the actual principal of the loan, how much you're paying back principal wise, and then the balance of the loan remaining. So of course in the first row, you're going to see that at 0 payments to the loan, it's still in full, like the full balance. And then after the first payment, you go and you see that you pay the $1,650.28, and you see what the interest rate is of that. The formula for this is going to be right here is going to be E8, which is your total balance times the interest rate divided by 12 to give you how much you actually have paid and what's the remainder. With the remainder, it's going to automatically update in the first column. You type in, which equals E8, which is this, minus D9, which is the principal balance or whatever, and it gives you how much you actually owe as a remainder of the loan. From here, you can drag and pull it all the way down to the 120th spot, and it should end at 0 if it was done correctly. Now, until you drag and drop the balance, principal, and interest all together, just like at the top, it won't update. It's going to give you an error. So you have to be sure to pull down each one all the way to the bottom, and that's when you can see if you've done it correctly. And like I said, it should end with a balance of $0.00. So With that being said, the only thing left to do is how actually to format it by color, which is really easy. You click on it and then you go into the fill options and fill them with the colors you want to fill them with. And I don't know if I was able to show you guys well enough, but I'll go ahead on and just show you. I don't want to mess up my table. But here is where you would drag and actually drop it, but I'm not going to drag and drop. You see how the thing does it, and it automatically fills in for you. So hope this was a good and to the point tutorial. You guys, I've enjoyed this semester, and you guys have a great remainder of the summer. Thank you.